Hello and welcome. This is Irfan Lodhi and you are watching Project Planning Texts. We are going to learn today how to apply SUMIF function. Before we move on, let me tell you that this function is used when you want to prepare a summary report or a dashboard. Also, this function is used in planning, cost controls, accounts, finance. You may write down in the comment box if you find any difficulties while applying this function, and I will provide you the solution. In the last video, we have learned how to apply sum function with shortcut key. So if you want to sum up some values with specific criteria, then how to do it in Excel. If you see in the first column, we have different persons' names. In the second column, we have budgeted amounts. And in the third column, we have saved amounts. I want to know the total budgeted amount against Irfan from the range. So how to sum up with the specific condition? Press is equal to type SUMIF sum if. Either you press tab so the function will be selected, or from the mouse you double click on sum if and the function will be selected. Now under the function we need to select the range. So what is the range? My range is from cell A3 to A16 and we need to freeze these cells as a range. So simply select the cells range, which is A3 to A16, and press F4. So you would notice there is $sign before A and there is $sign after A, which means your rows and your columns are freezed. And then press comma. We need to select criteria. What is criteria? So we need to sum the value which are allocated against Irfan. So the criteria is Irfan. So simply select the cell Irfan. So this time you have to freeze only column. So just put your cursor before E right after a comma and press $key. Press comma. Now we need to select the sum range. Sum range is budgeted amount. And again we need to press F4 to freeze the range. Close the bracket. Press enter. It's done. Press Ctrl C. Function is copied. Press right arrow. Press Ctrl V. Press F2 and simply drag this range from budget amount to saved amount. Press enter. It is done. Now we need to fill down the same function to the below empty cells. Press shift and hold. Press left arrow. Ctrl C to copy the function. Press shift again. Press down key arrow. Select the range. Press Ctrl V. It is done. Now let us see if the calculation is correct. So we need to filter out Irfan only. And if we see the totals, 26,062 which is there. And if we see saved amount, total sum 4,691 which is there. That's all for today. Please subscribe my channel to remain informed of new videos.